Some do feel like it's money. Brian, what do you think about that when someone says that ultimately the missing ingredient for them is money? You're watching a segment from a Freedom Mentor live stream. Join us for our next live event. Go to freedommentor.com/live.
I think you can have all the money and you can lose all the money if you don't know what to do with it. So, as much as we all love to have more money, in order to grow that money, you're going to have the right knowledge and skill to get there. And that's such an important part of the process is growing into it. So, I don't think money is going to be the key. And of course, we learn to leverage other people's, which I love even more.
Yeah, unfortunately, money isn't the solution, even if you want it to be, because ultimately, there's a lot more money than there are smart investors that put good deals together. There's literally trillions of dollars available for good deals. And we've seen it, Brian, time and time again. Someone gets a little bit of money in their pocket, thinks they know what they're doing, and you can lose not just what you invested in real estate, but a lot more because of leverage. So yeah, money is not the most important. In fact, I'm going to step on some toes here for those seven that answered that, and hope you don't get too offended. But if you're saying that, then I already know that you don't have the knowledge that you need to be a super successful real estate investor and to reach your goals in 26. Because money is not actually the most important ingredient. We've already talked about time and location. And while motivation is helpful, at the end of the day, it still boils back down to knowledge. Well done. 60% of you all. That's exactly right. It's knowledge. It's knowing what to do, when to do, how to do it, where to do it. When you have that, then you're going to reach your goals in 26. That's just how it's going to work. Whereas if you have the money, but without these other items first, you put your money in the wrong deal and you just blown your whole year. Okay. Oh, actually, I never hit share on the results. Sorry, Brian. I was repeating those, but didn't show them. Those are the results, everybody. 60% knowledge. Well done, everybody. Well done. We have been coaching and mentoring real estate investors for 20 years. In fact, some of America's most successful investors got their start with us. Here's what our apprentices have to say about working with us.
Freedom Mentor was probably one of the biggest blessings I've had in my life.
For us, it's been life-changing, hands down. Couldn't even think about not doing this, right? And what a missed opportunity if I had not done it.
And you can be next. Learn more about our program in the top right corner. There it is. What is the fastest and most effective way to acquire the knowledge to reach your 2026 goals? And there's three options here, y'all. You can go trial and error. Brian, that's what I did. I think that's what you did too when you first got started, right? Before you met me?
It was absolutely what I did, and it didn't work.
Yeah, like life is just too short, right? I mean, like it's just like some of you all have been through tragedies and difficulties and all those things, and you already know how short life is. So the trial and error just doesn't work. And plus, in real estate, it just takes too long to get to the point where the trial and error actually works. You're like 5-10 years into it. Now the next one is self-study, resources and courses. Look, that's everything from YouTube University to AI to forum threads to courses you can buy, books you can read, all of those resources. And a lot of people go that route, right? And I tried that. So I went from trial and error to reading the books in the library and doing all that. And you can't learn to ride a bicycle by reading the manual. You got to get on the bike. I mean, you got to be in the throes of deals, right? So, ending the poll, I've got a great group here, Brian. Yes, it's a mentor. That's the fastest and most effective way to acquire the knowledge to reach your 2026 goals. All right. So how many of you would like to know how you could be mentored by me and Brian and our team? How would you like to know how that would work? Would you like to be mentored by me and the Freedom Mentor team? Would you like us to work with you step by step? You get my kind of enthusiasm. You get to interact with us just like we're doing here. We evaluate your deals. We take you from step by step of how to find the deals, how to structure them, how to negotiate with sellers, how to make sure you don't screw up. Because one bad deal can really wreck your year, all the way to getting the deal to the point of making a profit. Would you like to be coached by me and my team? Every successful real estate investor has a mentor. Discover how you can be mentored by us through our apprentice program by clicking above.